Wow, that is a beautiful lady. If you'd like to look like this or learn how I did it, just keep on watching. What a fun intro! Oh, hi guys, it's me, Crystal Methyd, and I'm so excited to do my makeup. But first, I wanted to let you know that you can get really cute merch at mybeststudymerch.com, including this phenomenal little headband. So check it out. Love you guys. We're priming the face. This is e.l.f. Poreless Primer. It's my fave. Gluing down the brows really quick here. And I was also in the mood to glue down my sideburns, which, you know, do if you feel like it. I decided to map out what I was doing because I had no plans with this weird little white shape, and then I just filled it in with my skin color, blended it out, and then I thought I'd do a little bit of contouring while I was here, so I was like trying to highlight and contour myself while not getting any makeup in the center of my face. Pretty talented. This is, honestly, are my freckles so cute? Okay, set that with just your normal powder. Look how beautiful the powder looks. Do you guys think it looks dreamy? So yeah, just set your face. Kind of think about what you're gonna do. What colors do you like? What's for dinner? Take your washcloth, your little makeup wipe, and just clean up the lines, because, you know, it's really hard to make things white again. I want it to just be as white as possible. So just blend out your white cream. I used my beauty blender as much as I could, but then I had to really get in there to get those fine lines with my just flat brush. I knew I wanted to do yellow and like just throw it in the center of my face, and then I kind of just put the rest of the colors kind of where, you know, where things are missing. But I knew I wanted to make my nose look different with this blue line, and then I needed more blue, so I had to add it all over my face. But I'm going in. We need a crazy eye. I know I don't want it to match, and I love this circle shape. It's nice and graphic. And if you can, it's always easiest and cleanest to get a line down and never pick up your brush. And just step away and look at it when you need to. Going in, intense, bold black line. Cute little lips, and I've been really into crooked mouths lately. So don't worry about being perfect. Smother yourself in translucent powder because we just want to like lock all the colors in place. Don't breathe. Just don't breathe in, and it's not that bad. Yes! So beautiful! Okay, and because I'm insane, I'm just packing some clown white powder on all the white parts. Here I go in with my Sugar Pill palette. Start out with the yellow. I'm kind of just, and it's kind of easy to blend in with the white because I just put in the white powder. Oh, that pink! Yes, pack it in there. And then go in with a black liner and just deepen this up. And I just take basically a brush I already is just dirty with black already, and I just blend it out a little bit. Deepen the under eye, blend in the blacks and pinks together, and I just like to get messy with it. It's like a crazy swirl Picasso lady man, and do whatever you want. Make those eyes look very large. And this is the most painful part, is packing that powder right on the waterline. Yeah, you can tell I'm hurting. Oh, it's an e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow. It's so fun. Use it. And then this eye is mainly just a liner, but I'm crazy because I went over it with black liner, and then I go in with my white cream and my white powder, and then I put more liner. Seems like it's too much, but you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do. I spent quite a bit of time trying to get this swirl to match my contacts. They were gifted to me by TTDI. And I have a code with them in the description of the video, so go get yourself some contacts and help me make a little money. This is all play. I have pretty much everything where I want it, just adding little details here and there. Eyelashes are always so cute. I'm using a Fluid liquid liner. I love them, and I'm just using that to deepen the blues that I already put down. And it's a matte lipstick, so I know it's gonna last all night. Get in there in the nostril. You don't wanna see any of your skin color. And then I just blobbed more liquid liner all over the nose, cause that's the look. These lips, another Fluid. I hate waterproof mascaras because they don't come off at the end of the night, so just fun fact. Little white lines where you see you can clean up your lips at the end. Look how smart I am. Okay, I set my face with setting spray, so I could just add this white highlighter over my whole face. I want it to just shine like a mask, and I'm into all things glittery. This is another e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow. We're using some just glitter. And look at how chunky it is, and I just, yeah, texture. Okay, it's pretty much done. We're almost there. I took glitter in every single color, as you know I do, just because I want it to be beautiful, and I found these rhinestones. I was like, why not? Life hack, get yourself one of these little applicators that helps you pick up the jewels and press them down. It's great. Final touch, a little swirl on the cheek to match my eye. This liner cracks and I don't recommend it. But it's doing the job today. Little Sharpie freckles. I just, look how it's so dimensional. Let's put on the entire look! Yes, Diva! You look sickening. I am wearing a dress gifted to me by Mondo Guerra. The gloves are by him as well, actually. Styled by yours truly. I made the fascinator with some just extra crafts I had. And I hope you guys had fun following along. Please tag me if you make recreations. I love you.